So I kind of lagged out during this video, and here's a little explosion for you. Quick, quick. So it's just a server spawn, and this is the first episode of Demolition. As I am not lagging at all. Let's have a look at this. So on this what it looks like, and it's destroyed bedrock. Wow. So weird. Destroyed bedrock. So on this was my first episode, Demolition. So subscribe to me, and sorry this episode was a little bit just started from that because I was lagging. In the meantime now I'm just doing a little explosion. So this is called Demolition. And I tried recording loads of videos but my mic didn't work, so let's do this. Let's do a little. So that's it, and hope you subscribe to me. Enjoy. Bye.